Alright, here we have an exterior video of the Camaro running. Just can get to hear that chop and that beautiful sound of the cam and big old motor there. This thing is 10 out of 10. I mean, absolutely perfect. This thing drives straight and strong. Oh, the hood's not down all the way. I'm going to push that down right now. I mean, she's just an absolutely beautiful car. So here's a shot of the engine bay. Extremely clean. I mean, everything is tucked. And there's no signs of any wiring, really. All this polished. There, look at the intake. I mean, again, this thing is just flawless inside and out. We'll get you an interior video here soon. We'll just flow right into the next video. I mean, again, we'll have this thing running again. We'll show you a little bit of the inside. Get a walk around, a little bit of a driving. As promised, we do have a video of the engine running. Alright, here we have the interior. And just look at the door panel. It is shaved door handles. Do open on the remote. You look down here. It's nice polished pedals. And the seat. A little bit of suede action going on there. Get to the back. It is jail audio. I mean, the radio, everything, it just bumps. It sounds great in here. We do have a Kenwood head unit. And the gauges here all work. The steering wheel is also in beautiful condition. Extremely clean. We have the passenger side door and the dash. Look at the headliner real quick. As you can see as well, it's extremely clean. Very well done. We'll show you the trunk next. Now they with the trunk open. Not much going on back here, but the detail, the attention to detail just, I mean, it just flows everywhere in this car. We do have the battery shut off here. It's currently off, so we'll turn it on and turn it back off there. But I mean, nice padding. Attention to detail is just so fine throughout this whole car. We'll go ahead and give you an outside running and driving shot. And that'll wrap up the video. Alright, here we just have an undercarriage video of this beast. I mean, you gotta appreciate the craftsmanship and the time that's put into this car. I mean, everything is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's this great sounding exhaust right there with some Flowmaster mufflers. As we go into the back, the rear end, as you can see the link bars right there, the traction bars, the rear end, the coilovers, full racing suspension. I mean, absolutely beautiful, and it's polished too. Big brakes. This thing stops. So we got a little bit of some artwork underneath here, as you can probably see in the pictures. But I mean, this thing is just extremely clean. Strong running car. As we go back to the front, we'll go out here to the side and show you those big Wilwood brakes. 6 pistons all the way around. Extremely clean car. You can see their Wilwoods in the back. Slotted and drilled rotors. Look at that fitment. I mean, the tuck of that wheel into the fender, absolutely beautiful. And as once again we roll around to the back and to the other side. But we'll go ahead and get you guys a video of me driving it out and taking off, just so you can hear how beautiful this thing sounds.